Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss the judgment of Honorable AP High Court regarding the surrender of the passport. Can the passport be surrendered if there are any adverse police verification, or if the person, the passport holder, is concerned any criminal cases or not? This is the question. It was decided by Honorable Justice DVSS Somayajulu in the case of Ganni Bhaskara versus Union of India and another, that is passport officer, in writ petition number 220 by 2022 on 8/4/2022. Right? This is a good judgment. Passport shall not be retained even though criminal cases are pending. Right. Now we will go to the facts of the case. Actually, the writ petitioner, Sri Ganni Bhaskara, is a doctor by profession and he is the MD of the so-called GSL Medical College located in the outskirts of Rajahmundry. He filed a writ of mandamus in WP number 220 requesting the passport officer to give back the passport number Z6412398, which was surrendered to the passport department on 1/12/2021. Why this thing happened? As I already told you, he is the chairman of the private medical college and he is the association president of the private medical colleges in I think in Andhra Pradesh, and actually he has got a passport. It is valid up to March 2022. But whatever it is, he has in advance, 6 months in advance, he has got it renewed on 3/9/2021. So at that time, the advantage is you need not have any police verification. Even though there is no police verification, you will be renewed the passport if you get it renewed up to 6 months. But please remember, you have to give all the details, the attestation form, whether you are involved in any criminal case or not. All these details you have to give. Right, anyway, his passport was renewed and he went abroad with the passport and came back on, I think in November 2021. Then he received the letter from the passport department. Actually, the letter is in the shape of a show cause notice. A show cause notice was issued to Sri Ganni Bhaskara that the passport officer received adverse verification report against him and therefore this passport has to be surrendered. Yes, he surrendered the passport on 1/12/2021 and the passport authorities, they have given a certificate also. Right. Now he has filed a petition for the giving back of the so-called passport. He argues, so on his behalf, very famous advocate, Sri Kaligiri Chidambaram, who is well known to us. So he argued that the existence of criminal cases is not at all a ground for the seeking of the surrender. So please remember, this I actually surrendered under Section 6 of the Passport Act. He says Section 6 of the Passport Act deals with the issue of the passport, the issue of fresh passport, but not for the renewal. Right? Okay. Even though the passport is renewed, even though the person is involved in a criminal case, even though he is convicted in a criminal case, he can travel abroad. This is what is stated by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Criminal Appeal number 1347 by 2017. Therefore, he wants to get it back. Now, we'll hear the arguments on behalf of the Passport Authority, Union of India. So, the advocate says the action taken by the Passport Authority is 100% correct because they follow the procedure under GSR 570E. So there are 5 cases pending trial against the passport holder, Mr. Ganni Bhaskara, and 1 case is still under investigation. So he has not given the information about these cases. It is nothing but a suppression of the information when he requested for the renewal. So therefore, definitely the passport can be seized. Now, finding of the Honorable High Court of AP. Honorable High Court of AP stated that merely because a person is an accused in a case, It is not a ground to hold the passport. So please remember, as per the jurisprudence, or legal jurisprudence, everybody is presumed innocent unless he is proven guilty. Right. Under section 10D of the Passport Act, the passport can be impounded only if the holder is convicted an offence of moral turpitude, that too for 2 years. If he is convicted for more than 2 years, if he is jailed for 2 years, then definitely the passport can be held back. So every conviction is not a ground for impounding the passport. And section 6 clause 2 is applicable only for issue of the fresh passport but not to the renewal. Right? So please remember, even as per GSR 570 clause E, it says court can give some exemption or some persons can be exempted. So ultimately, the authority is directed to send back the passport to Sri Ganni Bhaskara. Very good success for him, and we have to appreciate the argumentative capacity of Sri Kaligidi Chidambaram. So please remember this case whenever any passport issue arises. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.